Gaza City, Gaza Strip. A rocket launched from Gaza killed 2 Thai workers in southern Israel on Tuesday, police said, hours after Israeli airstrikes toppled a 6-story building in the Palestinian territory that housed bookstores and educational centers. With the war showing no sign of abating, Palestinians in the region staged a general strike in a rare collective action against Israel's policies. Since the fighting began last week between Israel and Gaza's Hamas rulers, the Israeli military has launched hundreds of airstrikes it says are targeting Hamas militant infrastructure, while Palestinian militants have fired more than 3,400 rockets from civilian areas in Gaza at civilian targets in Israel.